So today we are going to learn about atmosphere and its layer. So the atmosphere is the envelope of air that completely surrounds the earth. The atmosphere extends to about 1000 km from the surface of the earth, but 99% of the total mass of the atmosphere is found within 32 km. This is because the atmosphere is held by the gravitational pull of the earth. Now, let us see the composition of the atmosphere. Here you can see a pie chart shows different gases and their composition. So the atmosphere is a mixture of gases surrounding the earth. It mainly contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.93% argon and 0.04% carbon dioxide, and small amounts of other gases and water vapor and dust particles. Nitrogen 78%. It is most abundant gas in the atmosphere. It helps plants grow, used in making proteins, keeps oxygen level balanced. And the second one is oxygen 21%, essential for breathing and burning, used by all living organisms. And third, argon 0.93%. It is inert gas, does not react easily. It is used in electric bulbs. And the fourth one is carbon dioxide, which is available in our atmosphere in the amount of 0.04%. Used by plants for photosynthesis, traps heat, helps maintain Earth's temperature, which is greenhouse gas. And the fifth one is neon, helium, krypton, xenon and hydrogen. These gases present in very small amounts, used in lights, balloons and scientific instruments. Next, sixth one is water vapor. Varies from place to place and time to time. It is important for clouds, rain and weather. And the seventh is dust particles and smoke. Help in cloud formation, found more in cities and dry regions. Earth's atmosphere can be divided into 5 main layers. The first one is troposphere, and the second layer is stratosphere, and the third layer is mesosphere, and the fourth layer is thermosphere, and the last layer is exosphere. So here we have seen the different 5 layers of atmosphere. Here the term troposphere. The troposphere means change. This layer gets its name from the weather that is constantly changing and mixing up the gases in this part of our atmosphere. Now let us see the 5 layers one by one in detail. The first one is troposphere. This is the first layer of the atmosphere. It extends to a height of 18 km at the equator and 8 km at the poles. In this layer, temperature decreases with height. This is due to the fact that the density of air decreases with height, and so the heat absorbed is less. It contains more than 90% of gases in the atmosphere. Since most of the water vapor form clouds in this layer, all weather changes occur in the troposphere. The height at which the temperature stops decreasing is called tropopause. Here the temperature may be as low as -58 degrees Celsius. Now the next layer, that is stratosphere. This is the second layer of the atmosphere. It extends from the tropopause to about 50 km. Temperature increases due to the absorption of the ultraviolet radiation of the sun by ozone present in this layer. The temperature slowly increases to 4 degrees Celsius. This layer is free from clouds and associated weather phenomena. Hence, it provides ideal flying conditions for large jet planes. At about 50 km, the temperature begins to fall again. This marks the end of the stratosphere. The end of the stratosphere is called the stratopause. Now, the third layer, that is mesosphere. Above the stratosphere lies the mesosphere. The mesosphere extends to a height of 80 km. Here the temperature decreases again, falling as low as -90 degrees Celsius. The end of this layer is known as the mesopause. Now the fourth layer, that is thermosphere. The thermosphere lies above the mesosphere. This layer extends to a height of about 640 km. In this layer, temperature rises dramatically, reaching up to 1480 degrees Celsius. This increase in temperature is due to the fact that the gas molecules in this layer absorb the X-rays and ultraviolet radiation of the sun. This results in the breakup of the gas molecules into positively and negatively charged particles or ions. Thus, this layer is also known as the ionosphere. The electrically charged particles, gas molecules of the thermosphere, reflect radio waves from the Earth back into space. Thus, this layer also helps in long distance communications. The thermosphere also protects us from meteors and obsolete satellites because its high temperature burns up nearly all the debris coming towards the Earth. Now, the last layer, that is exosphere. This layer lies above the thermosphere. The exosphere extends beyond the thermosphere up to 960 km. It gradually merges with interplanetary space. The temperature in this layer ranges from about 300 degrees Celsius to 1650 degrees Celsius. This layer contains only traces of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, argon, and helium, because the lack of gravity allows the gas molecules to escape easily into space. So, that's all about the atmosphere and its layers. Thanks for watching.